So the next step is to understand the data structure we have created. So in this step, we will understanding the data structure, right? So here we will define the step 3. In this step, what are we going to do? The very first thing we are going to do is get the types of column. Like the type of column can be date, right? Numeric, factor, etc. We'll get to know what type of each column is. The second analysis we get is get the range of each column, and the third analysis we are going to do is how many months, how many numerical values we have per year, etc. And we can also do miscellaneous analysis. In this step we are going to do all this thing. The very first step is to understand the structure of data we have created. The data set name we have created is the data. It has the 3 columns. The first column is the date, second column is number of passengers per month, and the third column is an year. So that we will verify here. For that, let me add this particular, I have added a code block here. So structure of data. It gives us in the data set how many rows are there, how many columns are there. In the data set, we have 144 rows and 3 columns. The first column is a date. The format of the first column or the data type of the first column is date. The second column is passengers, the number of passengers per month. The passengers also, this column also has 144 values. The third column is an year. The third column is an factor, and it gives us the year value. So year values are repeating. 1940 is repeating 12 times, 1941 is repeating 12 times, because if the month is changing, year remains same throughout that year, right? So this becomes a structure of data. And we can even check the range of date. After this, let me insert this one, the code block. Range, okay, range of data dollar date. So what is the range of the date? So it says as the range is 1st January 1949 to 1st December 1951. Okay, so this becomes 1940 to 1951. This becomes the range of the data. All right, the range of date. Okay, so here we had made some mistakes. So it should have been 1949 to 1949 it should start. Okay, so here we had a mistake. That's why we had got 1940 here. Now the range also should show me the better, uh, the correct output. So here the starting date is 1949 January to 1960 December, the range of the date. Okay, so once after seeing the range of the date, here we are doing table of data dollar year. So you might, what I'm expecting is how many times each values of year is repeating. That means every year is repeating 12 times. So 1949 to 1960, 1949 in that particular column repeating 12 times, on all other values are repeating 12 times. That is making the 12 years into 12 times it is being repeated, 144 times it is repeating. So this is what the exploratory data to understand, exploratory analysis we can do in order to understand the data. And the bottom line is we have converted time series data into the data frame, in which the first column of the data frame is the month, year. The second column of the data frame is in that particular month how many people have traveled through the aeroplane. The third column is the year itself. So this is about the exploratory analysis. In the next video we will see Step 4, the step 4 is like define a function to create a group time series line graph.